Arthur, I'd like to know how free will can enter into this deterministic universe.
Yes, I haven't explained where it came from. I said that it has the option to operate through the derivative, but that doesn't explain where it came from. As I said in the beginning, it's one of the three arguments against determinism, that is to say, the uncertainty at the level of quantum phenomena has removed determinism, because you can't determine exactly where and how fast something is moving. Now, that uncertainty is perhaps the most important discovery of the 20th century, that a fundamental unit of action is uncertain. It's very important because it discovers that action rather than particles is fundamental, and it's very important because that action cannot be predicted. Well, then people would say that action is very, very, very minute, and you don't need to bother with it in an ordinary world of macroscopic phenomena. Well, that's where my knowledge as an engineer comes in. All controls are made to require only a small force. I mean, they're called the trigger effect. In other words, the energy to pull a trigger is not any proportion of the bullet.
Yes.
The bullet might even be an atom bomb, and the trigger might even be one single photon. You go in the door of the A&P, you're interrupting a light beam. One photon would open the door.
That's a real hair trigger.
That's a trigger. So nature has built these organisms to be controlled by just this kind of trigger effect. In fact, all interactions between particles, chemical, molecular, what have you, are photons, and a photon is a unit of uncertainty. So that it is possible to have a whole organism controlled by one quantum of action. You can call it decision energy. Now, it does take energy to get out of bed, but it doesn't take energy, or it doesn't take any, it takes only a very, very, very minute quantity of energy to decide to get up. That's different from getting up.